Alright, I was having some trouble with my gas heater and pulled the pump out of there, and I got it down here. I'm banging on it and trying to get it going. It's not working. So I wired in this simple light here just to see what happens and see if it's actually pumping. So let me just fire it up and go get it to see what the deal is. So the gas heater is meant to come on to warm the car up. So the gas heater comes on, and that's about how fast it should pump. You can see how that works. More or less, if this was in there, it'd be going psh, 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 but this isn't working. So everything's working but my fuel pump for the Eppersbacher heater, and that is more or less an impossible part to find. So I'm going to try and get it to work. But that's it. What do you want, Spots? So, to be continued.